The second element of marketing communication mix is sales promotion. Now, the sales promotion is a variety of short term incentives directed towards the channel members or towards the end consumers to encourage trial or purchase of a product or service. Now, the primary objective of sales promotion is to increase sales in the short term. That is why the incentives are short term in nature and they are directed towards the channel members, means the retailers and the wholesalers, and the end consumers. And the objective is to encourage trial or maybe purchase of a new product or a service. The product may be new in nature or maybe old in nature. But the thing which should be noticed here is these incentives are always short term in nature. The third element is events and experiences. Now, events and experiences are company sponsored activities and programs designed to create daily or special brand related interactions. You might have observed that the companies are sponsoring various kinds of sports events and maybe entertainment shows, festivals, museums, etc. Their objectives are, if they are in a position to link their name with these popular sports events and entertainment, they are going to generate brand related interactions. So it will help in creating awareness about their brand. So this is also a part of marketing communication mix. The next element is public relations and publicity. Now, public relations and publicity are defined as the variety of programs directed internally to the employees of a company or maybe externally to the consumers, to the government or the other firms and media to promote or protect a company's image or its individual products. You might have seen that the companies are organizing various kinds of press conferences and maybe seminars to launch a new product. Sometimes they launch a new product in the fashion shows. These all activities are a part of public relations and publicity. They are doing this thing to maintain good relationship with the various kinds of public, like maybe consumers or maybe the media persons. And in this way, they are able to generate good relationship with these publics, which will help them in attaining their long-term goal. The next element is personal selling. As the name suggests, personal element is involved in it. In advertisement was non-personal, but personal selling is purely personal in nature. Now, personal selling is the face-to-face interaction with one or more prospective purchasers for the purpose of making presentation, answering questions, and procuring orders. So, a personal selling agent will meet the consumers, and in front of the consumer, he is going to make a presentation. And the objective is to answer the questions or to procure orders. Excuse me. The last marketing communication mix element is direct and interactive marketing. It is defined as the use of mail, telephone, fax, email, or internet to communicate directly with or solicit response or dialogue from specific consumers and prospects. Now, in case of direct marketing or maybe interactive marketing, the marketing is having a full database of the consumers, and the marketer directly mails or calls or maybe email the end consumer, and in this particular way the marketer tries to generate response or establish communication with the specific consumer. In all the other cases, maybe advertising or maybe public relation and publicity, maybe sales promotion, the marketer was not having direct interaction with the consumers. But in case of direct and interactive marketing and in personal selling, the marketer is directly contacting or establishing dialogue with the consumers. So nowadays it is assumed to be more effective tool as compared to some of the other tools. So these are the various elements of marketing communication through which the marketer can establish communication with the target market. It is up to the marketer to use one tool or maybe more than one tool. But if the marketer is using more than one tool, one thing which should be focused in or which should be kept in mind is that all the various elements which the marketer is using should be integrated in such a manner that it gives the same kind of message. So this is all about marketing communication mix. Thank you.